Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and in this video I'd like to talk about how long does it take to start a company in China in 2019. Well, I mentioned this a couple of times in other videos as well. Process and procedure of starting a company in China have not changed. And it really depends. The time depends on the location of your chosen location to register a company in Shenzhen, in Guangzhou, and in Wuhan, Shanghai, etc. More or less, the process is the same, but the speed might differ. Okay, so coming from Shanghai perspective, we always recommend Shanghai because Shanghai is where our company is located in, and we can help you more in Shanghai than other cities. Simply because our company is in Shanghai and we have business relations with local lawyers and banks here, so it's much easier for us to help you with corporate bank account and even visa, to provide you visa assistance, work visa assistance, etc. And plus we have a building in Shanghai that you can rent an office in which the price will be considerably cheaper than any part of China. Okay, so how long does it take to start a company in China? From Shanghai perspective, again, it takes around 1 month from start to finish. Okay, from start to finish, I mean to register your company, to file your application, and then to get your business license. Maximum 1 month. Okay, and after that, this 1 month, by the way, it includes all the things like registering your corporate account, getting your business license, and registering with the tax officers, etc., etc. Okay, so this is 1 month, and another 1 month is spent for your work visa. So total 2 months. All right. Of course, this is highly generalized and because there are different types of companies. Okay, so it depends on the type of company. So if you are, for example, registering a trading or consulting WFOE, it takes around 1 month to register that. Okay, so if you're registering another type of company, maybe management, a restaurant management company, if you want to open a restaurant or cafe here, or bakery, that might take longer. Okay, a little bit longer than trading or consulting company. Or if you want to register at manufacturing WFOE, that can take considerably longer than any other type of WFOE. So please consult with us and let us know your specific needs and requirements. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to, what kind of company you want to register in China? And we'll be happy to help. So these are our WeChat QR codes. If you don't have WeChat, please download it, because WeChat is one of the commonly used social networking platforms in China, inside China. If you don't have WeChat, we highly suggest you download it. And then on top right corner, you've got this plus button. Click on that and you'll have this scan function. Okay, so use that scan function and scan these QR codes, and you will be adding us to your WeChat as contact, and you can send us your questions. Second QR code is our official page on WeChat, so please follow this account to stay up to date with business laws and requirements in China, and feel free to send us an email or just give us a call. Okay, we'll be happy to discuss all the options. Thank you.